Hey guys, today we're going to be drawing some walls, doors, and floors really quickly in AutoCAD Architecture 2025 and giving you a brief overview. So this is going to be under 5 minutes, so we're going to keep it as quick as possible. So if you come here and you open up AutoCAD Architecture 2025, you're going to see that you have a variety of tools here. So we're going to just click one and we're going to start drawing a wall. So I'm going to click Brick 4, Air 2, Brick 4. So if you come here and you just click, you have to double click on it just so you know if you haven't seen the program before. Come here, click. And you're going to see your wall is already created for you. So we're just going to do it 49. We're just going to do a random type of shape here. And we're going to see, we're just going to shape it off, close it. And then what's really wild is if you come here and you go to doors on the left-hand side here, you're going to see you have another thing called the tools palette. You can have a variety of doors you can select. So we're just going to do a hinged double door. You're going to select the wall that you want to put it on. And you can see that you can specify an insertion point and you get you can pretty much exactly put it in where you need it to. I'm just going to put it there. You're going to see that sometimes it will snap over. That's just an error in the program because that happens all the time in AutoCAD. And you can see I can just move it over and it's just going to create a hole in the wall and add a door, just like that. So right now, as you can see, within the last minute, what we did is we created walls like this. We added a door, all in 3D model. So that's another thing. When you're drawing in AutoCAD Architecture 2025, it's a 3D model. So you're getting a 3D model of your drawing and it hatches everything for you. Everything is kept at a base level and it's just amazing what it is. So if you haven't seen AutoCAD Architecture already, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below if you like this video. We're going to be doing some tutorials on AutoCAD Architecture 2025 because we tend to cater to people who are interested or are in architecture or civil engineering. So if you're interested in that, please, again, like and subscribe, and we'll get back into the video. So if we're going to continue here with our quick overview of this program here, AutoCAD Architecture, if you come down here to on your tools palette to Windows, you're going to see you have a variety of windows you can select. It's going to work just like it did with the door. So come here, you can select picture, glider. We're just going to do a glider. We're going to select the wall we want to do it. We're going to select our insertion point. We're going to hope that it doesn't snap to the bottom because it likes doing that. So we're just going to go up and we're going to click, and there we go. So we have our window right now, right there. So you're going to see that everything is flush, everything is nice, all the hatching is done for us, all the basics are already done for us. So we don't even have to go and create blocks because they're already done for us. If we go to our 3D model, you're also going to see that our window is at an average height for what a window should be in real life, which is insane. So you can see we just created walls, we added a door, we added a window, and we did all of this within the past 2.5 minutes. Where in regular AutoCAD, this could take you, half an hour depending on your level of work because you got to hatch it, you got to create the blocks. It could take you an hour, maybe even an hour and a half depending on your competency level. But you can see we've increased our workflow exponentially. If you haven't checked out AutoCAD Architecture 2025 at all, I really encourage you to do it if you're a student, because what this can do is it can really help you get through your classes and help you really speed up your workflow. Or if you're working at a firm that still uses AutoCAD 2025 or AutoCAD prior versions, and you're doing design and you're still using AutoCAD, I highly recommend you take a look at AutoCAD Architecture because it makes your life so much easier. You can go and create your own tools as well, which we'll get into in other tutorials later on. So you can see we have the basis of a floor plan already done in 3D. It's just amazing. Today we're not going to be getting into roofs, but next week we will be. I just wanted to show you guys this program because I just downloaded it because I'm going to be using it in our upcoming classes, and I thought it would be a nice tool to share with everyone who has no idea what this is. But if you do know what it is, and hopefully this was helpful to you. If you don't know what it is, hopefully you found this good, and we'll see you in the next one.